Okay, goodie, another recipe that you have requested. You wanted me to make hot cocoa mix. Well, you really wanted the Jamaican traditional way, but I'm going to give you this one because I don't have access to the Jamaican traditional cocoa where we use hot chocolate. So yeah, I'm going to give you this one right here. Turn your post notification settings on so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload a brand new video. Easy and simple. Let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Well, goodie, another recipe. 'Tis the season to be jolly, and I am coming to you with this recipe. I should have given it to you for Christmas, but your girl been busy, so I'm going to give it to you for the new year, right? So come on, let's talk about our ingredients. Now, goodie, I'm going to show you step by step what I'm going to use to put or to make this hot cocoa mix, right, that you have requested. Now, there's a traditional way that we make it at home in Jamaica. There's a little ball thing, a hot chocolate ball, right? You have to grate it and all them things there. I don't have access to that. I wanted to really show you our traditional way how we make hot chocolate or hot cocoa in Jamaica. So I'm going to just show you the one in the US. My version of make it to my family. Now yours just might be a little different, but it's my version. Alright, let's go. Now, you want to make sure you're using hot cocoa mix for this recipe. Do not use hot chocolate mix because you're not making hot chocolate, you're making hot cocoa mix. So make sure it's hot cocoa on your bottle. Cocoa, hot, right? Okay. Now, you could add whatever kind of little thing you want to add, but I'm going to add marshmallows to mine. I'm going to add some extra chocolate right here to it, a little bit of cinnamon powder and some nutmeg. Also, I'm going to add some vanilla to the recipe as well. All the amount for the ingredients will be listed down below. Now, goodie, I'm going to be adding almond milk to mine. You could go ahead and add whatever kind of milk you want to add in your own, because that's your kitchen and this is my kitchen. Alright? Yes. I'm going to be using berry vanilla almond milk because more might want for extra creamy, right? You're also going to need some whipped cream for top it off when you're done. Let's get started. Now, goodie, we're moving on to a very first step. I have my pot right there, and all I'm going to do is go ahead and add that 4 cups of milk into that pot. To that, I'm going to add my chocolate. Chocolate, whatever you want to call it, chocolate. We're going to add that. All I'm going to do here is go ahead and just spin this in until it melts. So after it has melted and it looks pretty much like that, I'm going to go ahead and add my cocoa mix to it. I'm going to add my nutmeg, my cinnamon powder, and some vanilla because it has to have flavor, right? And just keep stirring until it becomes nice and creamy. And as soon as it starts to bubble, you shut that fire off and it's ready. Now we go ahead and pour that goodness in there. That looks so good. Now my husband only wants marshmallow and cinnamon sugar, so we're going to give him just that. So I'm going to go ahead and add some marshmallows on top of his, like that. A little bit of that cinnamon sugar. And he's good. For me, I want whip. Oh, and lots of it. A little bit of that on top. Oh, I have to have some more chocolate on there. Oh, And we're done. Oh, that is so good. Well, honey, happy holidays and season greeting to you all of my lovely, wonderful goodies. Coming to you with another recipe that you have requested. Hot cocoa mix in your kitchen, fast, easy, and simple. And remember, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!